Here's India in the last 24 hours. In Tamil Nadu, following TVK's electoral success, Congress has broken ties with the DMK and aligned with TVK, bringing 5 of its MLAs into the new coalition. In Kashmir's political situation, the BJP launched a poster campaign claiming Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has not been seen for 11 days. Rajasthan's cabinet approved a new industrial policy focused on talent economy and private sector growth, aiming to boost the state's economy to $350 billion by 2028-29. The policy will provide incentives for micro and small businesses and push sectors like semiconductors, data centers, and defense manufacturing. In Maharashtra, in the ongoing NEET question paper leak case, the CBI has arrested Manisha Havaldar, a Pune-based NTA expert, for allegedly sharing physics questions before the exam in April. Amit Shah announced a smart border project that will use drones, radars, and advanced cameras to strengthen India's borders with Pakistan and Bangladesh and stop illegal infiltration. The project aims to make these frontiers impenetrable within the next year through better technology and coordination between security agencies. The India Meteorological Department warns that northwest India will face severe heatwave conditions through next week, with temperatures 5 degrees above normal, and no relief expected till May 28th. Southern states like Telangana will also experience intense heat till May 27th, while monsoon rains are forecast to reach Kerala by May 26. In ongoing talks over Ladakh's governance, civil society groups LAB and KDA say they've reached an in-principle understanding with the Centre on Constitutional Safeguards and our elected Union Territory legislature similar to Nagaland and Sikkim. Prime Minister Modi has reviewed the government's push to cut red tape and reduce compliance burden on businesses across various sectors. The Indian rupee is facing significant pressure among Asian currencies as global crude oil prices remain volatile and unpredictable. Experts warn that rising energy costs could further weaken the rupee against major currencies in the coming weeks. A potential nuclear deal between the United States and Iran could be announced very soon, according to reports emerging today.